What I wanted to do to kick things off, I'm going to play you a quick video. So this video I'm going to play you is a quick tour around Amazon US, and it's going to show you everyday items on Amazon using that software that I mentioned just before. What's really cool about this software is it shows you how much per month any particular product is doing in sales before you decide to go into a category. So that does a lot more than that, but I just want you to get oriented to how big the Amazon marketplace is, because most people, especially if they're not from the US and haven't spent a lot of time there, they don't realize how much of a difference 320 million people is compared to 25 million in Australia is. So this quick video is me giving you a quick tour around some products on Amazon, hitting the button to see what the sales are, because I want you to start opening your mind to just how close you may be to starting a business that might only have a very small handful of products, or maybe even one, that liberates you from the rat race for good if you get it right. So let's watch this video and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here we are on Amazon.com. This is the US website. So the numbers we're going to show you here are just from sales in the US. Remember, as a seller, you could launch your products anywhere in the world. You could launch them on Amazon Germany, Amazon Australia, Amazon Italy, and so on. This is just America, and I want to show you how big a market this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how easy it is to get some data on different things. As you can see here, a recent search I did was dog seat car covers. Now, or dog car seat covers, I should say. If you go down here, you can see them loading up here, and using this piece of software down in the bottom corner, we just click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to instantly tell us how much revenue per month each of these products are selling in US dollars per month. And it's really awesome, because back when I started on Amazon, this software didn't exist. But if you have a look over here, you can see that the average monthly revenue of a dog seat car cover on page 1 of Amazon is $32,000 a month. And down here, you can scroll down. If you have a look here, this result here that's popping up, that one there is doing $68,000 a month. That's US dollars. The next one down, 51,000 US dollars a month. If you scroll down, you can see some of these are really big. $121,000. This one's 164,000 US dollars a month. $97,000 a US month. You can hover over it to see which one it is. Very, very big dollars, and it's instantly available to us by using this software. And there's a whole bunch of other useful information here, which we won't go into now, but you can see the average price of a car seat cover for dogs is $37, $32,000 a month. Now, when you think that there are 50 results just on page 1, 50 times 30 grand a month means that the average of page 1 is over $1.5 million. So $1.5 million a month just off the first page of dog seat covers that you can see here listed on Amazon. They're doing collectively $1.5 million a month, which is just insane. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to change gears here and show you a really random one that I found, which is garden markers. Now, I really like this little product because it's so simple, really small, easy to freight, not expensive to get started in. These are just little tags that people put in their garden next to their lettuce, their carrots, their spinach to identify them and so on. I just love how simple this little product is. And when you load the data up on this, as you can see, it's loading up here now, and we'll have the results in just a minute. It's really fascinating how much money there is. Look at this. The average garden marker is doing $5,529 US dollars per month just off a garden marker. This first one's doing $26,000. Look at that, $26,000 a month. This one, $27,000 a month. The next one down here, you can see $10,000. $3,000, etc., all the way down. This one's doing $30,000. This one's doing $3,000. This one's doing $1,400 a month. Just think for a minute how much of a difference it would make. Forget about $5,000 a month. If you were just doing half that, $2,500 US dollars a month, and you had 4 different styles on here, how much would that change your life? Just incredible when you think about it. The last one I want to show you here is another one around the garden area, which is, these were inspired, by the way, just by looking out my window at home and after doing the gardening one day and thinking about what kinds of things you could sell. This was a bird feeder. So I looked up bird feeders. This is what you see when you look at bird feeders on page 1 of Amazon here in the United States. Who would have thought that birds feeders sell as much as they do? Have a look at this. When we load the data up and have a look at the results, you'll be amazed. The average bird feeder is doing $29,000 per month. You can see here, this first one here is doing 18,000, the second one 9,000. Click down a few more. This one's doing 161,000. This one's doing 73,000. This is US dollars a month just off bird feeders on Amazon. So hopefully this is really demonstrating to you how big the American market is for things as simple as this. But look at the results, just incredible on the most random items. So hopefully you can see here how simple it is to use software to identify opportunities for you to sell on Amazon. Okay, welcome back. So how cool is that? When I see those numbers, every time I watch that, it just blows my mind, because what business in the world can you get access to that data before you decide to go in and do it? When I first began on Amazon, that didn't exist, that software. It was like, oh, you had to take a guess. Now you actually can find out exactly what your competitors are selling. And it's really interesting. That piece of software actually tells you a whole bunch of other things as well, like how many competitors you have, what the average price needs to be, how you can easily source product, a whole bunch of stuff. That's really, really cool. Thanks for watching the video. And if you enjoyed it, guys, please hit the subscribe button so that we can build our subscriber base and get more great content out to you guys.